Let's make a microphone in Blender. So all you gotta do, delete those 3 items and now just add a cylinder. Change the vertices to 64, and now what you can do is basically extrude it just a bit to make a stand. Once you do that, make sure to go to edit mode by pressing tab and scale this down to make some kind of the handle of our mic, and now you can bevel it by pressing Ctrl B on your keyboard and shade it auto smooth. So we have something right now, but we need to change this as well. So what are we gonna do? Extrude, scale a bit, and now delete the face. Cool. So we just need an icosphere now and change the subdivisions to 5. So increase it here. Looks like an ice cream cone now, but will look better. So right click, subdivide once. You can even subdivide twice. So something like this. And all you need to do is press I 2 times and now type 0.002. Okay, so once you do that, press enter to confirm it and then press X and delete the faces. So that's pretty much it. You can even shade auto smooth and add some materials. So let's put this on black, and this just make it a bit like ironish, metallic, roughness, and that's pretty much it. We got our mic. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.